Who knows that they have challenges with fear? Okay, everybody's hand should be up right now. I swear to goodness, everybody has challenges with fear. Everybody. And anger, some of you guys are pretty good with anger. Women tend to not have testosterone, and you know, they don't have, but that's not always the case, you know. And guys, really it comes down to your role models when you were growing up. What did your role models act like, and what was their rewards? And just look at your mom and dad, whoever was a male role model or a female authority figure when you were growing up that you emulated in some way. And even if you didn't emulate them, you still got them, because they were around you, and you're a little thing. You're like a little person this tall trying to figure out life. And then you see these big two giants acting a certain way, and your brain says, I guess that's the way this world is. That's how to act. And so now some of us break out of that, but you have to consciously work at it a lot of times. If those behaviors from your past are self-defeating, which a lot of them are, you got to look at them, figure them out, say, okay, that's what I'm doing here, and I've got to stop doing that. You know, I got to stop playing the victim in this situation. Now, I do that. Like a whole bunch of work gets loaded on me at the last minute. Oh gosh, I'm working all the time, blah, 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 or whatever, you know. And so I start complaining, and then I try to go back to what number? Number 3. Thank goodness I have work I enjoy and that I love to do. My work really impacts people. So isn't that wonderful? I get to go out and teach people how to change their lives. Isn't that amazing? I mean, what could be cooler than that? And what am I complaining about a little extra work for? Okay, now is that the way to think? Yes, of course. And that's the way you guys got to turn that too. You have so many things to be grateful for in your life. And if you're just complaining and thinking, oh, poor me, oh, woe is me, which we all do, guys. I mean, pretty much every one of us can't totally escape that. And when you're doing it though, just don't wallow in it. See, that's the key. Now you're going to catch yourself in all these self-defeating little mind tricks where it's circular thinking. You're not smiling. Okay, if you're not smiling, that's a good trigger. If you're smiling, I'm great with whatever you're thinking, pretty much. Okay? Because, you know, you're smiling. And so, and I'm telling you that there's a huge thing. I'm going to talk about smiling a lot. When you smile, it changes your outlook. It absolutely changes your outlook. So, guys, I want you to smile. When I look out here, let's see all smiling faces, right?
Yeah.
Even having a little mirror by the phone to make sure you're smiling, that's a huge thing. Okay, so you're getting your emotions working for you. Smiling tells me you're not working against yourself.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.